Goodbye, my baby, I'll abandon you. That's when you forced to care. L-O-V-E, da da da. Why you gotta make this hard? Funny how the quiet ones do nada till they do a lot. Sorry.
Never be.
You sorry.
Oh, I even tried. Don't know why we tried. I don't know why we tried.
Hey guys, it's Beauty by Wanda. Today's video we will be doing a wig install using the hair company aliperalhair. They had sent me a deep wave 24-inch transparent lace frontal wig, 180 density. In my opinion, this does not look like 24 inches. It looked longer, which I was a little happy about that. Yeah, so I'm gonna just let y'all know what came in the box before we get started. What had came in the box was, of course, the wig. It had came in this bag. It came with wig caps, which I did use in this video. It also came with an elastic band, which I was really happy about the elastic band because I do use those to melt my lace. It came with an edge brush and a bag. And this also came in it. And this is just a little paper that says how to wash your wig. So yeah, I totally think this hair is bomb. It's like crazy bomb. I never really had curly hair like this. It's so full and so pretty. The lace was perfect. The lace was literally perfect. As y'all can see, it's very like much melted. If y'all want to see how I did this wig install using aliperalhair and this soft baby hair look, just keep watching the video.
Damn, Mizzy Mari got beats.
Let's see you driving up both of them countries, you getting up in it. You don't look bad, you know me asking, I ain't seen me in a minute. No cups, you gon' wanna know, waste no time, let me see if you with it. Baby, let's
get it. Okay, so I use active bold hold to lay down all my wigs and my laces and sew-ins and everything, even with my clients. I already did a 3rd layer, so I'm gonna do one more. I'm doing 4 layers this time because I want this wig to stay intact. This hair is so bomb, like so bomb. So we're gonna continue with the video. So as you can see, just because of the lighting, right, if I put my head down you don't really notice it, but just because of the lighting, certain parts it just looks white. Like right here, I know you could tell it looks white. That is just the lighting. That's just the reflection and stuff. Remember, a lace is a illusion. And yeah, you can see scalp. Yeah.
I said we could never be, oh, I even tried. Don't know why we tried, I don't know why we tried. I see tears up in your eyes, I can make it all better, I can make it all better. Hands up in my face, you only won't see my way. I had way too much to drink, I had way too much to drink. Going through a breakup, that just slowed the pace up, yeah. You was wondering why I was missing.
I hope y'all enjoyed this video. You know, and like I was saying during the video, in certain lightings, because of the lighting, before y'all comment and try to come at me and bomb me, in certain lightings, since the lights are so bright, the lace does look too light, or sometimes not really too dark, but it'll just look like too light on one side, which as you can see with the finishing look, it's perfectly fine. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share. Comment for more videos, and yeah, I'll see y'all next time.